Hey, kids, welcome to Taco Town. I will be your server for the evening. Can I get some drinks started for you? We'll start with you, ma'am. What's up? Little bit louder for me. Okay, so you're saying that you want the spank me daddy, right? Okay, all right, great. So we will do one spank me daddy for you. Sounds great. And for you, sir. Well, it looks like we do have the mommy you sexy kitty cat on tap. Want me to go check that for you? Alrighty, sounds great. So just to go over everything, we're gonna have one spank me daddy and one mommy you sexy kitty cat. Alrighty, I'll make sure to go put that in the back for you guys. I'll be right back.